This is called precision machining.
Wow, you've been learned. Gotta wiggle it. I gotta wiggle it in. It's a housing for the rocket.
You gotta drill some holes. Real welding hours. Every time I make a project like this, as it goes on, I just go, why did I make this? All right, so before we put some rockets on it, I want to test it just to see if I can actually swing the bat so we'll put some actual ceramic thing. It wasn't as bad as I thought. Once we add the rockets in, it's gonna get worse. Yeah, that was pretty cool. I'm going to break both of my wrists. All right, so to make the jet on top, what I'm gonna do is cut out 12 of these little segments, weld them all together. All we need to do now is find the switch and wire it up. Safety Chicken has my switch. And I don't think he wants to give me my switch back. Got it. Hey, it worked. It's ready. Yikes. Oh man, I don't like this at all. All right, firing in 3, 2, 1. So there's a delay. I think I need a longer swing. Roll. Oh God. Oh man. I literally didn't move my arms. That just took me. Where'd the skull go? Oh my God, it's gone. That is absolutely insane. Holding it is not that bad, but like looking back at it, I don't know if I want to hold that anymore. Should we hit the chicken with it? We're hitting the chicken with it. The wasteland is no place for chickens. It hit them. It made them float up.